And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 160 PSI air inflator. This is a rechargeable air pump. Got the name there, a little bit of the specs there. It's USB-C, pressure range is 4 to 160 PSI, and its capacity is 27.75 watt hours. Company logo there, and there with the sticker. So let's open this up, take a look at it. Got a couple little strips of tape to cut, and then your top comes right off. Nice. So very nice and thick instruction booklet here with all of the details you should need. This seems to be your cable for your air pump. Also a little included USB-C type cable to charge it. Some adapters, one for like an inflatable item, one for a basketball. Nice adapters for your pump. That's just cardboard, and a very nice carrying case with their logo on it. I love it. So here's the actual air pump here. On the bottom, you have the USB-C for in. So this is how you charge the battery. You can also use any type of USB cable to charge an iPhone, an iPad, etc. This is where you plug in your cable to pump the air. This is a nice LED light in case you need that. On the front here is all of your buttons. So this turns it on. You can adjust how much PSI you need. So like if you need it to be 42 PSI, you have your cable plugged in, you plug it into your tire, you hit your power button, and it'll pump it up and stop at 42 PSI. There is a few different modes here. So that's like an SUV, and that's like a normal sedan, and then a bicycle and a basketball. And then other than that is the light. So you press that button and you have a nice LED light. It can even flash with the SOS mode in case you broke down. And really, that's about it. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.